Mao ni akong ingredients. Tara magluto ta guys. Kay gimingaw ko og udang or prawn. Tiger prawn. I like for cooking of udang or tiger prawn. Nice. Then put this one. Put this one, two pieces of egg, big eggs. Mix it nicely. This is high in protein, and you know, udang is always the best for one of our best viand in the kitchen. Udang, one of my favorites. Nilagyan ko ng 2 pieces of eggs kasi gusto ko ng protein. If you feel boring to eat your udang or egg, you can mix it together para naman maiba ang inyo easiest cooking on the you can use olive oil or normal oil, coconut oil, something coconut oil lang guys, or margarine. It's yummy for the udang. Yan, maraming nagkakagusto sa udang in any kinds of cooking. Yan, luto na. I don't want to put mini sauce. So sauce guys. Then condiments. Bites na. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day everyone. Pinauga ni siya guys, pinauga. Kung sa paydugayan, let's eat na while the meal is hot. Thank you.